Here's the power plant in the Z28. Like I mentioned, it's a 302 solid lifter engine. It's not the matching engine. It has an aftermarket intake on there. I do have a factory Winters aluminum intake that was on a Z28. I have that for the car, goes with it. It's got the aluminum valve covers. A couple of upgrades in here. There's some chrome pulleys and some chrome accents here and there. Really clean. Let me fire this one up for you. Got a great sound to it. This thing going up the street. I was noticing even the clock works. That Z28 motor had a 6,000 RPM redline. Runs really smooth. We go around the back, you listen to that exhaust. The Z28 cam's got a nice sound to it. You hear every cylinder bounce off. Really clean car. If you'd like to see this car in person, come on down to California Cars. We're at 389 East Thousand Oaks Boulevard in the city of Thousand Oaks. Our phone number is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself, Rich, or Gary. Be happy to show you the car in person. Thanks for watching.